Good morning, everyone! Today is December 12, my birthday, and we're going to Tokyo! And for this trip, isa lang ang pinaka-goal namin, ang makapunta sa Tokyo Disney Sea at makasakay saan? Sa Tangled Ride kay Rapunzel. So, unlike sa Hong Kong Disneyland, dito hindi ka pwedeng bumili ng Premier Access or Early Access in advance. Pagpunta mo dun sa park, tsaka ka lang makakabili ng Premier Access per ride. So, unahan at swertihan talaga siya. So, hopefully makasakay tayo. No, Cyril? Okay, so that's it. We'll see you in Tokyo. Bye!
Getting numb.
So cold.
Daddy, na range.
Okay, we're back in Tokyo. Malamig, ang sarap. Okay, check ko lang kung ano yung plate number na.
Baby, stay here. Baby.
We're here. Alphard yun eh.
1354.
1075. 1075. Hi. Hi, Cyril. Is it cold? Okay.
Tatlo ba yan? Tatlo. Oh my God.
Let me do
Sorry. Namay mama.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. Thank you. Okay, so kababa lang natin nung service natin. Hanapin na oh my God, hanapin natin yung Airbnb. Pero,
Oh my God, take a picture of the moon.
come on baby.
Mommy, look at the moon.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh, wala.
Okay, so dito yung Airbnb natin.
Lapit lang pala.
Oh my God, it's so cold. There. Me and Daddy will take care of it. Be careful, okay? Yeah. Be careful. Oh my God. Okay. Second floor. And itsura ko.
After this is just one more and then we're there now.
Yeah, that's right. Ayun si Daddy, oh.
You can do it.
Shh, don't shout.
I didn't see the moon.
Ayan, oh. See, 302.
Okay. Hours.
Okay, wait. I'll find the key box. Okay, after so much struggle, nalaman na din namin kung nasa yung susi. Yun, kasi 3 rooms tong floor na to. Tapos kanya-kanyang room may key box. Pinipilit namin buksan to. Ito. Nung chinek ko yung instructions, nandun pala yung key box namin.
That was on my mind. Bakit kasi 3:01?
Yeah.
Bakit
But-
3:02?
So, alam niyo na. Read instructions carefully. Okay. Okay, now let's go to our room.
Why is it so dark? It's gonna know.
First. Okay.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, looks good.
Oh, my God.
Okay, open that. That is the... Oh, that's the bed already.
Oh.
Don't put your shoes inside, please.
Oh,
Take it
that's
off.
fine.
We need to take off our shoes first. We're in Japan.
It's so special.
It's so special. Okay, now let's see.
So special. Oh my God, lamig ng
Okay.
pako.
So, ayan. Ito ang bathroom. Petite. Ang liit.
Tita, you're not letting me
Oh,
play,
okay.
bro.
There. Oh. Okay.
Bro, where's the toilet?
This is the toilet. It's so small. There. Okay, and then let's see the room. Okay, this is the room.
Why is there a sink on the taas?
So our problem is saan kakasya ang maleta?
Dito. Sa labas lang.
Yeah.
Sa labas yung
So
maleta.
small. Okay na to sa'yo, Cyril?
Yeah.
Ayan na. Unang
Oh,
introduction. Yun na yung tour.
May ng first aid.
Oh, may pa first aid pa sila. Okay, so yun na yung tour. Mukhang wala tayong makakainan. Anong oras na? 9:30 na. So mukhang 7-Eleven o Family Mart ang bagsak natin nito. Okay, are you good, Cyril?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put the maletas inside. Okay. Mukhang sarado na yung mga restaurant. So, eto na nga, conveni ang bagsak natin ito. Lakad-lakad lang kami. How are you, Cyril? Is it cold? Pag nagpupunta kami sa Tokyo, dito lang kami lagi nagstay sa Komagome area. Kasi maraming mga Airbnb rito na medyo malaki and mura. Tapos hindi ganun ka-busy. And at the same time, malapit-lapit lang siya sa tourist sites. So, pag pupunta kayo sa Tokyo, as long as you're near one of the stations within the Yamanote line, madali lang makapunta sa mga tourist sites. Sarado na rin tong restaurant na to. Sorry. Nagsasaraduhan na talaga sila. Ayan na ang mga vendo machine. Hi, girl. Hi. What are you gonna eat?
Egg.
Egg? Okay.
Kung meron.
Kung meron. Okay, so meron ditong malapit na drugstore. And then, may Lawson. Pero gusto namin sa 7-Eleven. Ayan, meron ding malapit na supermarket. How do you read it?
I don't know.
Okay, come on, let's walk.
Baby dati ah.
Yeah. So dito yung masarap na tendon house. Tapos yung Airbnb namin dati dito, diretso. Tapos pa kanan. You remember? You forgot na?
No, I remember.
Oh, you do?
I
Okay.
still remember Kuya trying to scare me. He said, if you don't look at the monster, he will keep just going closer to you.
Okay. There's the 7-Eleven. Let's go. You missed this place. Okay, go. What do you want? Okay. First night, first meal, 7-Eleven.
Oh my gosh. I still remember this building.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. In fairness, ang dami pa. Oh, this looks good. Hinanap ko rin yung parang beef nila eh.
I still remember.
Yung parang pepper lunch. It's so many choices. Yep.
Whoa, is that spaghetti?
We're-
I just checked here.
Okay, mamimili muna kami ng food. See you later. Okay, so tapos na ang aming 7-Eleven run. Are you okay? Okay, come on, let's go back. Ako na magbitbit ng isa, Mal. Hold my hands, real. I love you, Cyril. I'm happy to be spending the day with you. That's not there. 4 degrees and feels like 1 degree. Okay, pabalik na kami sa Airbnb. What we'll do tonight is we'll just take a bath, eat, and get ready for tomorrow. Right, Cyril?
Sleep tayo early para tomorrow maka-Disneyland tayo.
Okay po. Okay, nandito na kami sa Airbnb. So, ito ang aming dinner. Sa akin, chicken and egg. Tapos, parang katsu with tartar sauce. So, anything with tartar sauce, gusto ko yan. And then, we have corn dog. And then, a cheesecake. Egg sandwich. Tapos, itong chicken. And then, try ko tong pecan nut chocolates. And, ano to? Potato croquette. And si Cyril, tapos na kumain. What did you eat?
Egg and rice.
Egg and rice. Oh, okay. So magpapahinga ka na. Saan tayo punta tomorrow?
Disneyland.
Disneyland. Oh, okay. Say bye-bye to them na. Bye! Say see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Okay.